I happily welcome you to the program Learn Chilled Opoku. Mede ani die me mwakwa aba dwumadi a watu din unu Opoku nsu atwi yiso. What are we learning today? We are learning some twi conjunctions. Ye be sua twi nkabomdie conjunctions. What are some of the words that we'll be learning? We'll be learning notwithstanding, though, however, and to. In fact, I will read a passage, and in the passage we will try to identify the conjunctions in it, and then we try to find out the three counterparts that befit each and every one of the conjunctions that will be found in the passage. This is what I will do. After reading the passage, I will divide it into two. We'll treat the first half as part one of this lesson, and then the second one as part two of this lesson. So stay tuned. Now let me read the passage to you, and then we'll try to find out the conjunctions in that passage. And it goes like this. Notwithstanding the numerous health benefits of fruits, many people tend not to eat fruits. Though educated people know this, however, they too consume little or no fruits. Immediately Kwame heard the news. There and then he started eating fruits. Even if he doesn't have appetite for it, he will eat. This is the passage. Now let's try to find out the conjunctions in this passage. If you read the passage, you realize that we have what? Notwithstanding, though, however, to, all, immediately, there and then even if. These are the conjunctions that we have in the passage. But like I said, we'll treat the first half, and then the other part of it, we'll treat it as what? Part two in the next video. So stay tuned. Yes, so what do we have in the passage as conjunction? The first is what? Notwithstanding. And it says, notwithstanding the numerous health benefits of fruits. In Twi, we will say, Emfa hon se, that is notwithstanding. Emfa hon se. Emfa hon se. So in the statement, notwithstanding the health benefits of fruits, we will say, Emfa hon se nuabaye ma ya pomuden no. Emfa hon se nuabaye ma ya pomuden no. Notwithstanding the health benefits of fruits. Emfa hon se nuabaye ma ya pomuden no. So the true word for notwithstanding is what? Emfa hon se. Emfa hon se. But at times we only say emfa hon. Emfa hon. Not all the time that we say emfa hon se. But if you are not supposed to use se and you use it, it will still make the meaning, or it will still bring out the meaning that you want to what? Convey to your listener. So don't worry. So you either say emfa hon se or emfa hon ya inuabaye ma ya pomuden no. Emfa hon ya inuabaye ma ya pomuden no. So emfa hon meaning what? Notwithstanding. Notwithstanding. Emfa hon se or emfa hon. Emfa hon. Emfa hon ya nuabaye ma ya pomuden no. Ana se emfa hon se nuabaye ma ya pomuden no. Good. When you go to the next sentence, it says, though educated people know this. Though, that is the conjunction that we have. The Twi conjunction for though, we may have so many of them, but the most appropriate one is what? Ewom. 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 Educated people know this. Ewom. That means though educated people know this. Educated people in Twi we will say akrachefo. Singular we will say krachini, but plural we will say akrachefo. However, this is what? Masculine for men. The feminine one will say nrabafo. Nrabafo. Singular will say eraba. Eraba. So we have krachi ne eraba. Krachi ne eraba. I hope you understand this. Yeah. So when we say educated people, then in Twi we say akrachefo or nrabafo. That is educated people. So in this sentence we say Ewom, akrachefo and nrabafo nim ye. Or we can say we or ye. They mean the same thing. This. So Ewom, akrachefo nim we. Though educated people know this. Though, then we say Ewom. Ewom. Though. So in this case we will say Ewom, akrachefo nim we. So what are we saying? We are saying that for us to say though in Twi, then we say Ewom. 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 Though. The third conjunction is what? However. And in the statement we said, however, they too consume little or none. However, we have learned that in the previous lesson. So this is going to be easy. However, in Twi, then we'll say nanso, nanso, or nso. Any of them means what? However. Just that nso could mean two. Two. But in this case, we want to take the meaning as it is found in the passage. So we say, however, nso or nanso. 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 That means what? However. Nso also means what? However. So in the statement, however, they too consume little or none. Nanso, wonso, that is they too. Nanso, however, wonso, that is they too consume little or none. Wonso, edi kakrebi ana kra. Kra, that is what? None. Kra. Kra. Good. I think this sentence has also treated the next vocabulary, and that is what? Too. They too consume little or none. Too in Twi we say nso. Nso. Just as I told you, nso has two meanings as far as what conjunctions are concerned. Nso could mean two, and it could also mean what? However. So in this particular sentence, however, they too consume little or none. Here in Twi we will say nanso, one day. Two, then we say one nso. One nso di kakrebi ana kra. Kra. Good. We'll call it a day here. That means we'll end the part 1 here. And then in the next video we are going to treat part 2. But please keep your comments coming. Your comments help me to shape my lessons. Besides that, if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe to this channel, share the lessons or share the videos to your loved ones. And once again, thanks for watching.